Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I have for you top 5 EDC pocket knives. Got a nice list today. Should cover pretty much everybody's budget, and I'll even include maybe an honorable mention in there. But we got to start it off with Spyderco Para 3. This is the Digi Camo S45VN steel, made in America. Got compression lock. Very sharp. Extremely sharp out of the box. Super solid lockup. No play at all. Great knife. Probably takes 100 flicks or so before it breaks in, but until then, it's a little stiff out of the box. That's the only complaint. After that, you are good to go. But great, strong pocket clip. Very nice blade. Up next, Vosteed Porcupine. Micarta handle. 14C 28N. About a 3-inch blade. This is their top liner lock. Good pocket clip. These are around the $60 price point. Pretty sharp out of the box. Very well made. No play. Solid knife. Great buy. Number 3. Another USA made knife. Kershaw Bel Air. This is in carbon fiber. You can see I use this knife. Magna Cut blade steel. This may be one of the sharpest knives I've ever gotten out of the box. Between that and the paramilitary, you can see the size difference. It's going to be a much access lock, much lighter weight knife. Great to carry if you got like gym shorts on, sweatpants, something like that. You don't want something too heavy tying you down. Good difference in weight between these three. But great knife. Back to budget friendly knives. One of the best EDCs probably ever made, in the budget category at least. Vosteed Raccoon. Micarta handle. 14C steel. As you can see, unlike some of the other knife guys on YouTube, I really use my knives. These weren't just sent to me, and they're not just stuff to flip around. Take this thing to work and use it. I use this pretty much every day. Good quality, top liner lock, micarta handle, 14C 28N steel. Just all in all, fabulous knife. Like the blade shape. These, come up on sale sometimes, and you can get them in the $45-$50 range, but MSRP is $60. I do think it is worth that. Good quality, reversible pocket clip. Solid. Great buy. Last but not least, I had to throw it in there. Could be the Benchmade. This is regular Benchmade bug out. Made in America. S30V steel. It's got the cheap nylon handles or whatever these are, the flimsy. Lightweight though, good blade. USA, definitely overpriced. Do love the pocket clip. I like this color pattern. When these pop up on sale, probably worth it. These are around anywhere from $160 to $200 for this style with the cheap handle. Definitely overpriced for what it is. Consider you could buy 3 of these for one of these. But you support an American-made company, lightweight, good blade. It's got to be on the list. Now, if all these are out of your price range, you've got the Walmart Benchmade clone. So this is $7. Get you the access lock. Same type of plastic. Cheaper D2 steel. Made in China. But it'll get you as close as you can to this Benchmade, and you could buy, what is that? 30 of these for the price of one of these. But that is the top 5